So let's have a look at the division law. Like, it's a division rule. So if you've got, remember, the base number is 2, and we've got like 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 2, we know that we can like draw them out, expand them. 2 times 2 times 2, blah, 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 blah. But we can have a look. Let's have a look 2 lines down. 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 thing. Then we've got all this cancelling out. So what have we done? Because 2 divided by 2 really just equals 1. So it's gone. We've cancelled. Really, we can do it a quicker way because we've only got 2 times 2 times 2 now, which is 2 to the power of 3. And that's the quick way. So we look at the power, 5 minus power 2 equals power 3. So the base number is still this 2. Yes, it is. But the power 3 is the answer. So the rule says you can go x power m divided by x power n is the same as x m minus n. Here's another example at the bottom of the page.